Are you passionate about travel and want to turn your experiences into a source of income? Then you are in luck. There are many ways to earn money through travel writing and creating content for YouTube. In this video, we'll explore some of the best strategies for monetizing your travel content. First, let's talk about YouTube. By creating a YouTube channel and monetizing it, you can earn money through ads that are displayed on your videos. As your channel grows in popularity, so does your earning potential. Sponsored content is another lucrative option. You can partner with brands that align with your travel niche and create sponsored content for them. This could include reviews, endorsements, or promotions of their products or services. In exchange, you may receive payment or other incentives, such as free travel accommodations or experiences. Affiliate marketing is also a great way to earn money through travel writing and creating content. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you can earn a commission for each sale generated through your link. Another option is freelance writing. You can write articles and blog posts for travel publications or websites, which can earn you a fee for your work. Finally, as you establish yourself as an expert in the travel industry, you may be invited to speak at conferences or events or offer consulting services, which can also earn you money. Ultimately, the key to earning money through travel writing and creating content for YouTube is to build a strong following and establish yourself as a trusted authority in your travel niche. This requires consistent and high-quality content, engagement with your audience, and networking with other travel professionals and brands. So go ahead and start exploring the world, and let your passion for travel take you on a journey to a successful career in travel writing and content creation. And if you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for the more amazing content.